morning, Bobcats.
I'm Ashley.
And I'm Aurora. Here is your daily bulletin for Tuesday, January 12th, 2021.
This week's virtue is assertiveness. Assertiveness is a skill regularly referred to in social and communication skills training. Being assertive means being able to stand up for your own or other people's rights in a calm and positive way, without being either aggressive or passively accepting wrong.
Congratulations to Student of the Week, Dean Sword. Dean was nominated by Heather Brown, who said, "Dean continues to try even when something is difficult. He persistently works to complete his schoolwork. He is responsible and polite as well. Dean is a joy to have in class. Excellent work, Dean."
Are you optimistic about the new year and the future? Award money is available for those who...
Excuse me, sorry. Hey, Bobcats, Principal Johnson here. Hey, this just in. Guess what? The gig is up. We know what it means when you have a hat or a shirt or a sweater that says cookies on it. We know. All right? Per dress code, sorry to be that guy, but you can't wear them. It's just that simple. So just like the Sierra Nevada gear, you got to ditch that cookie brand as well. There's a lot of other amazing clothes that you can wear. Thanks, Bobcats. Have a great day and rise up.
Oh, wow, thank you, Mr. Johnson. Anyways, back to what I was saying. Are you optimistic about the new year and the future? Award money is available for those who compete in an essay contest sponsored by the Oroville Optimist Club. If you compose an essay of 700 to 800 words on the theme Reaching Your Dreams by Choosing Optimism, you have a good chance of earning a cash prize. The deadline is February 10th. See your English teacher or Mr. Carroll for more information.
Here's a message from Mrs. Regier for all the CSFers out there. She says, "It is that time of year again. Please fill out an application for membership in CSF. This will be based on your grades from the semester that you just finished. Email Mrs. Regier or drop by room 136 for an application. Applications are due by Friday, January 29th, 2021 at 2:30 p.m. No late applications will be accepted."
And here's a message from Mrs. Jones for juniors concerning the College Connection program. Have you watched the presentation sent to your school email? If you're interested in applying to College Connections, you must do so by January 24th. You must also apply to Butte College by January 15th. For a guide to the application process, go to the Paradise High webpage, click About Us, and then the College Connection tab. You can also contact Mrs. Jones at kjones@pusdk12.org. This is a great opportunity to get personalized advisement for your college plans and get a head start on earning college credits.
Seniors, now is the time to make sure you have your Federal Financial Aid or FAFSA account completed. The deadline is March 2nd. If you would like free assistance completing the FAFSA, sign up for a virtual workshop provided by Chico State's ETS program. The first workshop is today from 4 to 6 p.m., and there is a second scheduled for Wednesday, February 10th. To register, use the link posted on the counseling page of the Paradise High website or link it from the print version of this bulletin.
There will be an informational meeting this Wednesday and Thursday at lunch for the golf team. There will be pizza and drinks. Please come join the golf team. Here's some exciting news. Miss Stearns, our athletic director, has received an award for basketball star Stephen Curry. Here's Emily with more information on the award.
Today we are excited to announce that Athletic Director Anne Stearns has been recognized by NBA star Stephen Curry and the Positive Coaching Alliance. She has received a Curry 8 Golden Flow Award. Mrs. Stearns is being recognized for her efforts in promoting excellence in athletics and character here at Paradise High School, especially after the campfire. Annie was one of just 8 coaches to receive the award. Here is a segment from the video she received from Stephen Curry.
Nothing is possible in this life without great coaches and great leaders. We wanted to celebrate their impact in the community and the gold standard that they set every single day. So we called on the Dan Life to create these special limited 24-karat gold shoes. These are on the way right now to some very, very deserving recipients. Keep changing the game for good.
As part of her award, Mrs. Stearns will receive a pair of Curry 8 Golden Flow tennis shoes, adorned by the Dan Life. Check out that bling on those sneakers. The gold represents the gold standard set for PHS athletes. Annie also received a $1,000 donation that she will use to support PHS volleyball teams. Here is Mrs. Stearns commenting on the award.
Yeah, I was really excited to be nominated and given the opportunity to show how wonderful PHS High School is. But I'm just super grateful for the award, and honestly, it's not something I'm really excited about. I'm more excited about getting kids back onto the field and getting back on the court, and this was nice, but I care so much about you and the students, and I think that this is just as much yours as it is mine. Thanks, guys, and go Bobcats!
Congratulations, Annie. It's well deserved for all you do.
Here's your patriotic message. The heights of popularity and patriotism are still the beaten road to power and tyranny. David Hume.
Happy late birthday to Raymond Emmerich, Annabelle Lexner, and Caleb Smith. Happy birthday today to Jacob Gross, Keen Eisenbeis Vasquez, and Dusty Smith. Happy birthday tomorrow to Braden Laird, Ember Kinney, Emily Lowry, and Heather Powell.
Have a great day, Bobcats, and rise up!
Assertiveness is a skill regularly referred to.
Check out that bling on those sneakers. It sounds like I'm a robot.
So, wait, sorry.
It went away.
So they're a 10.5, and no one can wear them. No one's going to put their stinky feet in these beautiful shoes.